Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to get one heart symbol on the status bar. Okay. For this, go to settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option focus. Tap on this one. Now tap on the option plus button on the top right side. Tap on custom. So here you can select the option heart and you can change the color, and here you can enter the name. Okay, so simply here I am going to enter the name heart like that. Tap on next. Now if you want to customize this one, tap on customize focus. You can customize here. If you don't want customize, tap on the option focus. Now you can see the heart that we created the focus, you can see here. So let me show you how to get the heart symbol on the status bar. Go to the control center. Now press and hold the focus. Now tap on the option heart. You can see that focus we made here. Tap on this one, heart. That's it. Now you can see the heart symbol on the status bar. You can see. Right? So simply in this way you can get the heart symbol on the status bar in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.